तुमकां यो व्यू
तुम्ही मीडियाचे काम तुमचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिव्ह जर्नलिझम
बरें जालें तुवें
So Pooja Naik have done allegation the one cabinet minister is involved
I
in
don't
the
want to comment anything on that. I think Pooja Naik is already being investigated and Chief Minister is looking into that. I'll let that whatever is to come. कोण उलयतलो एलिगेशन घालतलो आमी उलयतले कितें तें
ओके वन मोर
इफीचो ट्युरिजमाक कितें फायदो बी जातलो किंवा करून घेतले तुमी इफीचो जाता
गोंया आमी गोवा बियॉन्ड बीचीस करतकर एवरी इवेंट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा इफी हॅज बीन एज इम्पॉर्टंट एज सेरेंडिपिटी एज इम्पॉर्टंट एज एनी अदर फेस्टिवल इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा आमी स्पोर्ट्स टुरिजम सुरवात करता आसतना हें सरकार अलॉंग विथ चीफ मिनिस्टर आमी आयर्नमॅन गोवा 70.3 सुरू केलें आज ज्या तरेन ते स्केल अप जाला 31, 34 countries, people coming from various parts, talking about Fit India, and the way it is moved talks about Goa moving in the right direction as far as tourism is concerned, various sectors. So every sector which comes, which we are looking at very good in a manner, is to attract people throughout the year in different months. So if we are able to attract still more people through better thought process, we will do it.
But if inauguration will be through float parade, it will relate to tourism actually.
Tourism showcases the heritage and tradition of Goa through such heritage and traditional things like carnival or shigmo. So jenna ifi daketa, ifi is being showcased through our culture and tradition. I think it is the right way to tell and showcase. I don't know the details of it because it has been done by the Entertainment Society of Goa in terms of organizing the ifi. But I'm sure with the Chief Minister knowing what they have planned, I think it will be the right thing for Goa.
Okay, tell us about your visit to World Travel Mart. Just if you can highlight
World
something.
Travel Mart was a very good visit. We could meet a lot of more charter operators, more people in the business. उलोवपाक म्हणल्यार लास्ट इयर आमी तुई कडेन उलयल्ले तेन्ना ह्या वर्सा मॅन्चेस्टर आनी गेटवेज हॅज ओपनड अप टू तुई. Roughly we are expecting about 40,000 guests from the TUI charter of connecting Manchester and Gatwick. So UK market is opened up. The type of tourists coming as information feed which is from the trade also is quite welcoming. आणि एक म्हणल्यार फॉरेनर्स येवप ही वाड संख्या जावंक लागिल्ली आसा. आमचे फिगर्स ऑफ ग्रोथ अप टू सप्टेंबर आमी दिल्ले, ऑक्टोबरान तरी वाडले. ऑक्टोबरान जवळ जवळ 34 चार्टर्स आयिल्ले ओन्ली इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑक्टोबर. So connecting to newer parts of Russia, connecting to newer parts of UK as we do. Even the Poland flight I think is scheduled to have arrived, the first one. Uzbekistan, which again will start, the scheduled flight will start. So I think whatever hard work our whole team has been doing and has put, connecting the world to Goa, I think we are moving in the right direction as we connect the country to Goa. So we are working with the whole thought process of our Prime Minister initiative of Chalo India and Dekho Apna Desh for international and for domestic tourists. And we have been getting a good share of thoughts. Connecting to the stakeholders, B2B business being done, exhibiting ourselves, talking about the Sun Ascendancy and Goa Beyond Beaches has been things of where we have been done as far as World Travel Mart is concerned. We look forward to a great year this year as far as the footfalls are concerned for the tourism industry as a whole. Corrections थोडे गरज आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता स्टेक होल्डर्सांक सामकें म्हत्वाचें आसा तें कळपाक खास करून आमच्या टॅक्सी भावांनी सोशल मिडिया इज रिप्लिंग इट आउट एंड वी कॅन फायंड द थिंग्स मुवींग इन दॅट डिरेक्शन. हांवें मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन म्हजी ऑलरेडी विचार मांडिल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता खंय ना जाल्यार खंय हो विशय काबार करपा जाय जाल्यार इट डेफिनेटली इफेक्टींग द होल टुरिजम ट्रेड एज अ होल बिकॉज ऑफ दीस टायप ऑफ इन्स्टन्सीस कमींग. दादागिरी खंयचीच चलची ना. It's very simple.
But how long it will take, sir? With so many years, the issue is
it's a
not getting
continuous
solved.
process. Every MLA should first come out the mindset of vote bank politics and look at it. We are not keeping anybody anywhere. सगळ्यांक आमच्या टॅक्सी भावांक घेऊनच करून सोदता. So anyway, let us not keep discussing these issues. We have discussed it. But one thing is there. गोंयचें आमी टुरिजम हाडटले आनी गोंयचें टुरिजम वाट कोण लायतले हे खोपून घेवचें ना आनी मागीर परत आमी बोटां लावन घेतले टुरिस्ट खंय गेल्या काय म्हणून. अरे तुम्ही कोंबडीत मारतले जाल्यार अंडी खंयची येतली. सो फर्स्ट एवरी फेलो हॅज टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो 2 ट्रबल मेकर्स, एक 2 ट्रबल मेकर धातले असतात जे पूर्ण आमचे बऱ्या सेन्सिबल सेन्सिटीव गोंयकार टॅक्सी भावांचें नांव वाट लायता आनी हे 2 जाणांक समज ट्रिटमेंट सारको मेळना ते सगळे रिप्लिंग इफेक्ट येता की टॅक्सी सगळी हे म्हणून इंडस्ट्री वेगळी म्हणून. सो ताच्या खातीर आय वुडंट कॉल दॅम माफिया. I would say टॅक्सीन थोडे ट्रबल मेकर्स आसा and that trouble makers need to be handled इफ यू नीड टू एन्श्योर टुरिझम रन्स रायटली. म्हजी सेंटिमेंट्स हांवें मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मांडले आनी हांवें ताका सांगलां बेगीन ते इशू करया काबार, कित्याक तो चड वाडूंक लागला आनी ते वता वता ते ट्युरिस्टांक भायर काडटा, शपथां सांगता, टॅक्सीचे हे करता. अरे खंयच्या जगान आसा आमी? आनी तुमी अशें खेळटात, तुजे एक हाजे खातीर थंय विशय वेगळो जाता. आनी द इशू लुक्ड अपॉन बाय द पीपल हूम वी आर गोईंग अँड प्रोमोटींग एवरीवेअर ओनली वन क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड, इज द टॅक्सी सिस्टम अंडर कंट्रोल काय म्हणून. आनी आतां इट हॅज टू कम अंडर कंट्रोल, व्हेरी सिंपल.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.